Good afternoon to all of you. So this is not a regular lecture, okay? This will benefit you for your life. You understand? So what is the designation given to him? Professor of practice, okay? He is not from an academic background. He's a person who has practiced so long, for 30 years almost, 30 or 35 years, okay? Our university is having one option to go for professor of practice who are industrial exposure or corporate world or something like that, okay? So we have Mr. Venkadeshan here. He's one of our alumni also and president of alumni association. இது வந்து வெளியில வந்துட்டாங்க அவங்க அவுட் ஆஃப் அகடமிக் திங்ஸ், ரைட்? ஹி ஹஸ் கம் பேக். யூ நோ ஹி இஸ் இன் கொச்சின். தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? கொச்சின்ல இருக்கார் அவரு. பட் ஹி ஹஸ் கம் ஃபார் திஸ் பர்பஸ் அலோன். ஹிஸ் ஃபேமிலி இஸ் இன் கொச்சின். புரியுதா? டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தி இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் ஹி ஹஸ் given to you people? புரியுதா? அதனால டோன்ட் டேக் இட் ஆஸ் எ ரெகுலர் லெக்சர். அட்டாச் மோர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ். கனெக்ட் வித் ஹிம். We will definitely get benefited. Okay, I don't want to take much time. ஸோ இது வந்து உங்கள் இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்புக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும், எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட்டுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும், உங்கள் லைஃபையே திருப்பி போடும். ஓகே, அக்ரி இன்ஜினியரிங் படிச்சுட்டு எங்கே இருக்காரு? டாட்டாவில் கன்சல்டன்சியில் இருந்திருக்காரு. ஹெட்டிங் ஒன் ட்ரெஷரி ஹெட். ஓகே, வித் லாட் ஆஃப் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் எக்ஸ்போஷர். அக்ரி இன்ஜினியரிங் நீங்கள் வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஓகே, அதனால அவர் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன்லாம் எஸ் மேட் எ வெரி குட் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன். அண்ட் he also showed another presentation to me how alumni can support the students, okay, and as a profession also how to improve further. So I don't want to take much of your time. Thank you so much, sir, for accepting and giving a series of lectures to our students. And he will be coming very often also. And he told that we can also give some expert lectures to the faculty development program. It's a very good suggestion, sir, whatever you have given. We look forward to hear to you, actually. Thank you so much.
Everybody. Now it's going to be a tug of war between you and me. நான் உங்களை தூங்காம இருக்க வைக்க போறேனா இல்ல நீங்க என்ன தூங்காம இருக்க வைக்க போறீங்களான்னு பார்க்கணும். இப்ப are you ready? Okay, now let me understand. All are from Tamil Nadu or you have people from outside also? Tamil Nadu. So Tamil English ரெண்டு மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி பேசலாமா என்ன? so that உங்களை at least I can keep you engrossed in the subject what I am doing. So Dean was saying I was in Coimbatore. Just a month back, I relocated myself to Kochi. Okay, where my son is doing his super specialty in gastrosurgery. Okay, so that will be for at least for next 1.5 years. That will be my place. Okay, but anyhow, I will be coming. I promise I will be coming every 15 days. Friday and Saturday, I will be in the college. Okay, for sake of you. And every 15 days, I'll be taking one session. சொன்ன மாதிரி you have to take it seriously. Okay, இதெல்லாம் எனக்கு செய்யணும் அவசியமே இல்லை. சொன்ன மாதிரி இல்லை என்ன, பட் அண்ட் ஜஸ்ட் பிகாஸ் வி வாண்ட் டு கிவ் பேக். என்ன எல்லாத்தையும் கார்பரேட் சிஎஸ்ஆர் ஆக்டிவிட்டின்னு இருக்கு, கார்பரேட் சோஷியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டின்னு இருக்கு. Okay, to what extent they take it from the society, they have to give back to society. Is a corporate and they have to spend at least 2.5 to 3% of their profit for CSR activity. The corporates. The same thing is there for the individuals also. This is for the college. Okay, this is the college where I just passed out. எனக்கு அந்த இது இருக்கு. I have to give back to society, give back to college, give back to students. Okay, whatever we missed during our college period, okay, that the people currently, you should not be missing it. That is the idea. சரியா? Okay, and I don't want this one to be a monotonous one way the other. Okay, we will make it little interactive. அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணலாம் நம்ம. சரியா? Anytime you can raise. Okay, in fact I used to do, யாராவது தூக்கம் வரமா இருந்தேன்னு எந்திரிச்சு கேள்வி கேட்டுருங்க நீங்க. That I used to do, not here in my PG MBA class. அதான் பண்ணுவேன் நான். Okay, தூக்கம் வரமா எந்திரிச்சு கேள்வி கேட்டவொடனே then you get the focus of all the people including the lecturer, so the தூக்கம் போயிடும். Okay, this is one small tip for you whenever you are attending the any class. Okay, so இன்னைக்கு we are going to talk about SWOT analysis. இது ஒர்க் பண்ணும்ல? இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியுதா? அது able to see that what I have given? Okay, we will be sharing this PPT with you also. Okay, it's only for your thing. Okay, consumption, not for the any further circulation or further percolation. Okay, Circulation, percolation தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? What is percolation? உங்களுக்கு இல்லை, எங்கேயும் போகக்கூடாது. It's only for you, your benefit. Circulation உங்களுக்குள்ள, அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, percolation. I should not be talking about percolation to you people with specializing in irrigation. Okay, I don't think. Okay. SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? Just ஒரு ரெண்டு மூணு பேர் சொன்ன போதும் எனக்கு. If you have heard about this term SWOT analysis, okay, what it is? Very good. I'm very happy. ஆனா நீங்க படிக்கும்போது எனக்குலாம் அந்த ஏஜ் அதெல்லாம் தெரியல எனக்கு. Because this is a concept which came nearer to that period. Okay, or just very new to the system itself. Okay, it is தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா is introspection. Another word for this is தமிழ் சொல்றதா இருந்தா ஆத்ம, அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்தாங்க. கூகுள் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் நான். ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் தட் SWOT analysis, what is introspection அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே, okay, coming back to this one, it is actually a strategic planning method. சொன்ன மாதிரி, it is a very valuable tool. It was applied early in the business entities only. Okay, அவங்க தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாங்க. Okay, business entity பண்ணாங்களே, they are doing it. Then what is the need for us to do அப்படின்னது? No, it is actually percolated down to all other things. It started with the business entities, then came to institutions, then came to individuals. Okay, and here today we are going to discuss about two things: SWOT analysis for an individual and for agriculture engineering students. So I'm going to discuss two SWOT analysis. Okay, there'll be little overlapping between these two, because you are also an individual, you're also an agriculture graduate, agriculture engineering student. Okay, so there'll be some overlapping will be there. Some of the points will be overlapping will be there. Okay. This is actually focuses mainly on the internal and external factors. What are internal factors? What are external factors? That we will see later. Okay, or if you want, I can just tell now itself. We said SWOT: strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. The strength and weakness are considered as the internal factors. Okay, opportunity and threat are external factors. This external factors for you. Okay, opportunity and threat. Whereas the strength and weakness are which is internal to you. Okay, so it is actually focusing more on the internal and external factors. Okay, it is actually done normally in the you talk about a business entity, corporate. It will be done at the first instance. பிள்ளையார் சொல்லி போடுறோம், நம்ம எக்ஸாம் எழுதும் போது, பரீட்சை எழுதும் போது பண்ணுவீங்களா? நீங்க பண்ண மாட்டீங்க. Okay, whoever is doing that one, பிள்ளையார் சொல்லி போடுறோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி anything, this is the first one we have to do. SWOT analysis, whatever you do, whether you want to take any step which is going to affect, take you to for next 5 years, 10 years, this is very, very much important. Okay. We'll see the genesis of SWOT analysis, how it is started itself. Okay, as I was telling you earlier, it is the tool for the business entities and project. Before starting a project or anything, even a business entity want to get into India or they want to start, this is the first thing they'll be looking into do. Okay, because in the SWOT analysis, a lot of things will be coming into focus. It will be coming into, because it has to be documented. As far as the individual is concerned, we don't do the process of documentation, but when we do a documentation, it is very, very important. Okay, அர்த்தமாவதா உங்களுக்கு? If I'm going fast, please tell me, I'll just slow down. Okay, கை தூக்குங்க, தப்பு இல்ல. Okay, for you also, for everybody not able to understand the language, slang, anything, please let me know. Okay, it was actually a concept which was developed by Albert Humphrey. Okay, he was working in the Stanford Research Institute, SRI in சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, in the middle of last century. To say precisely, it was somewhere between 1950 and 1960 this concept came up, the SWOT analysis concept. And actually he was interested with the work of analyzing the strategic planning process of leading corporations those days. Okay, and out of actually this came outcome, this is an outcome of those analysis or the strategic planning analysis of the strategic planning process which he undertook, and this one came, why the corporations fail. Okay, see, Those days, they never had so much of templates to start an entity or organization. Okay, they said somebody having the money, yes, let me start the organization. Today, it's not like that. Okay, even if you want to start the organization, you have a checklist, you have a laundry list. Okay, ஒரு 100 ஐட்டம் 50 ஐட்டம் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு ஈவன் இஃப் யூ கோ ஃபார் திஸ் என்வரன்மெண்டல் கிளியரன்ஸ் அதுக்கே யூ ஹவ் டேக் சம் 15-20 clearances from different department, different organization. Okay, so something, everything is available. Those days is not there. Okay, that is why they called as ease of doing business. The ease of doing business was very, very low earlier days. Okay, now after looking at all these things, development, everything, they started improving the ease of doing business. And ease of doing business for India is somewhere we are in between 40 and 50s. Come down. It was very low. It has come up now, 40 to 50. Okay, that's how they've been doing it. Okay, and it actually helps in identifying the pitfalls and the planning techniques. Normally, any industry, we cannot have a single template or single tool for analyzing the possibility of making it very successful, because each industry and each product will have a different outcome, different analysis we need to do. Okay, and he came up with he only devised the framework to analyze both internal and external factors, which I was talking about, internal external factors. And in fact, he gave the name, not SWOT. The very first name for this analysis was called SOFT, SOFT. Strength, okay, opportunities, and F for fault, and this one P for threat. Okay, it is actually what we can say that he was having a very positive this one. So the strength and opportunities are positive points. So he gave first 2 points. So okay, and the fault and threat are negative. So he gave it later. But subsequently, it was actually renamed as SWOT analysis, SWOT. Okay. So now we have talked about SWOT. How was the genesis? Before going for strength, this is the internal origin, opportunity is the external origin, but these are positive things which is helpful in your career, in your for your benefit. Okay. Weakness and threats. Okay, out of these two, weakness is the internal factor, and threat is the external factor, and it is harmful for individual, for anybody. This is the diagram. Okay, I can do it now. Now, before going to this one, okay. Okay, how many? I think 40 people will be there here. Huh? 30? 36. No problem. Okay. எல்லாத்துக்கும் just two strength, two weakness. Okay. Make it. இன்னும் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Have you done this SWOT analysis earlier? Huh? For yourself? Then you should be ready with the answer. Come on. Who's going to start now? The lady who introduced will do it. தேவையில்லப்பா, அவ்வளவெல்லாம் இல்லப்பா. உனக்கு எழுதுற அளவுக்கு யாருக்கும் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் வீக்னஸ்லாம் இல்ல அது. சரியா? கமான், அப்பேரண்டா நினைச்ச உடனே என்ன வருது அதை சொல்லு. அதான் உன் மேல நம்பிக்கை ஜாஸ்தி, அது உன்னோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த். வெரி குட். கெட் இன் த குக்கோன். முடியாதுன்னு சொன்னா கெட் இன் த குக்கோன், அவ்வளவுதான் அது. ஓகே, சி லாங்குவேஜ் இஸ் நாட், ஐ டோன்ட் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் யூ டு டூ ஒன்லி இன் இங்கிலீஷ். சரியா? எனக்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ வாண்ட் டு கெட் த ஐடியா ஃப்ரம் யூ. ஈவன் தமிழ் இஸ் ஓகே, இல்ல உங்களுக்கு சொன்ன மாதிரி தெலுங்கு இருந்தாலும் ஓகே, ஐ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். சரியா? ஓகே, இங்கிலீஷ், தமிழ், தெலுங்கு, ஹிந்தி. Okay, இன்னொரு 6 மாசம் கழிச்சு you can speak in Malayalam also. You have a dependence on other somebody people, so you are going to react, you are going to respond. கரெக்டா? மத்தவங்க எப்படி பிஹேவ் பண்ணாலும் அது மேல அதுபடிதான் உன்னோட பிஹேவியர் இருக்கும். கரெக்டா? You are just at least you take a decision at 1 or 2 levels above you. கரெக்டா? Different plane. If you are on the same plane, you get affected by different factors. Okay, but you take a decision staying yourself in 1 or 2 planes above others. Okay, then you can have better decision. Please, எனக்கு இதெல்லாம் நீங்க ஸ்ட்ரென்த் வீக்னஸ், ஓகே, யாரா இருக்கு ப்ளீஸ் send it across to me. Okay, I think we have formed a group நினைக்கிறது. என்ன, please send it to her, or என் நம்பரை தானே ப்ளீஸ் அனுப்புங்க எனக்கு. I want to do that one. Okay, come next one. Just behind you. Very successful in life. ஏன் தெரியுமா? Okay, you started the weakness. When everybody started with the positive, you started with the negative. So you give importance for negative one. This is my weakness, I should get out of this one. It's highly impossible. Okay, think over. When somebody says எனக்கு weakness இல்லைன்னு சொன்னா it's something wrong. Okay, starting trouble. Okay, அதெல்லாம் you will get primed up. Okay, lack of proactiveness for you. கொடுத்தா நான் செய்வேன், கரெக்டா? ஓகே, இல்லைன்னா அந்த there's a lack of proactiveness. இந்த எமோஷனல் சொல்றாங்களே, வீட்டுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரே பொண்ணா ஒரே பையனா? இல்ல சீரியஸா கேட்கறேன் நானு. ஜென்ரலா வந்து இந்த எமோஷனல் ஐ கேம் வெரி எமோஷனல் சொல்றாங்கல்ல, அந்த வீட்டுக்கு ஒரு பையன் ஒரு பொண்ணா அந்த எஸ் தட் கெட் இன்டு ப்ராப்ளம். This is another subject which I want to take in future. Emotional intelligence, emotional EQ. See, நாங்கெல்லாம் படிக்கும்போது only IQ was there. There's no EQ at all. No, EQ has come. ஏன் தெரியுமா அது? Earlier they never used to be a what do you say that molecular family or இப்ப joint family was there. இப்ப அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல. இல்ல அதே மாதிரி அடுத்து people are having only one kid. பையனோ பொண்ணோ. That is the reason people are getting pampered. ஒரு சின்ன டை அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம்னா பயந்து அவ்வளவுதான். They get upset. It's also possible. Okay, நினைப்பீங்க படிப்பீங்க அது. ஓகே ஓகே, நான் நினைக்கிறத ஸ்ட்ரென்த் நினைச்சேன் நான். ஓகே பிளஸ் இன்னாலும் ஓகே, ஸோ யுவர் பேஷண்ட் குட். இட்ஸ் a very good one I am telling you. Okay, common mistake everybody is doing, including my son, my daughter எல்லாம் பண்றதெல்லாம் அவங்க என்ன நினைப்பாங்க இவங்க நினைப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு. என்ன, forget all these things. You have to be yourself. தப்போ ரைட்டோ போடுவோம் நம்ம அது. ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே, தப்பு இல்லாம அது நல்லதுதான் அது. அது வீக்னஸே இல்லாம அது. ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு வீக்னஸ், பட் ஆக்சுவலி இட்ஸ் அ வெரி குட் வர்ச்சியூ. எல்லாரையும் நம்புறது என்ன, கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா நம்புங்க, அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணும் அது. தப்பு இதுதான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் கேட்கும்போது சொன்னியா நீ எனக்கு? இதுதான் சொன்னியா? இல்ல இன்னைக்கு மாத்திட்டியா? ப்ராப்ளம் இல்ல, அது we can come over all this weakness. Okay, come next gentleman. யாருக்கு கோவம் வருதுன்னு சொல்றீங்களோ என்ன, நான் சொல்லட்டுமா? என்ன, ஏதாவது கோயிலுக்கு போய் ஒரு டாலர் வாங்கி போட்டுருங்க நீங்க. நான் சீரியஸா சொல்றேன். என்ன, திஸ் இஸ் சைக்கோஜெனிக். புரிஞ்சாது? ஏதாவது கோயிலுக்கு போங்க, விச்சவர் டெம்பிள், ஏதாவது சர்ச், இந்த கோயிலுக்கு போங்க, நீங்க போய் ஒரு டாலர் வாங்கி போட்டுங்க. என்ன, இந்த டாலர் போட்டா எனக்கு கோபம் குறையும் என்ன அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு டாலர் போடுங்க நீங்க. யூ வில் கண்ட்ரோல் யுவர் ஆங்கர். ஐ எம் நாட் ஜோக்கிங். என்ன, ஐ எம் டூயிங் ஒன் சம்திங் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்லி. நவரத்ன மாலைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? என்ன, உங்க அப்பா அம்மா கேளுங்க, அவங்க போட்டுருப்பாங்க அது. ஓகே, அது as we grow up we wear that one. I used to wear that one. என்ன, நான் சொல்லும் போது இது போட்ட உடனே எனக்கு கோபம் குறையும். அண்ட் இட் ரியலி இது ஹேப்பன். அது கொடுக்கும் போதே சொன்னாங்க, இதை போடுங்க உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாம் குறையும் சொல்லி தான் கொடுத்தாங்க. started doing it. I believe in that one. Same thing, you do it. If possible, you can do that one. Okay, ருத்ராட்ச மாலை போடாதீங்க. I'm very serious. ஓகே, ருத்ராட்ச மாலை போடாதீங்க. ருத்ராட்ச கொட்டை இருக்குல்ல, அது போடாதீங்க நீங்க. ஓகே, do anything else. Okay, ஓகே, இத்தனை பேர் கேட்டதுல you want reason? ருத்ராட்சம் வந்து ஆக்சுவலி வந்து it reduces the what to say that virility சொல்றாங்க தெரியுமா? இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இன் ஃபேமிலி என்ன, அதை குறைக்கும். அதனால தான் ருத்ராட்சம் தான் சொல்றது. யாராவது போட்டேன், சின்ன பசங்க போட்டா நான் சொல்றேன், போடாத கழட்டி போட்டுன்னு சொல்றேன் நான். என்ன, ஏதாவது போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ரைட். எஸ், ருத்ராட்சம் போட்டுமா கோவம் குறையில? மரமே வைக்கணும், ருத்ராட்ச மரமே கட்டணும்னு. ஓகே, இப்ப இத்தனை பேர் கேட்டோம் நம்ம அதுல. ஓகே, was there anything unique? is there anything எல்லாம் காமனா இருந்ததா, இல்ல something unique ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும்? So everybody has a unique attributes. Do you accept with me? Okay, yours is a homogeneous or heterogeneous group? Heterogeneous, correct. I agree that one. Okay, heterogeneous group. Okay, homogeneous na you can have one yardstick, one tool, one scale, and எல்லாத்தையும் கொடுத்துட்டு just follow this அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். You are a heterogeneous group. As far as family is concerned, you are a homogeneous group. Yeah. Okay, so that is something where you can have something. Okay, so that's what I said. The unique skills, whatever you have, the talents. Okay, this is something which sets you apart from other people. இதெல்லாம் வந்து உங்களோட strength. Okay, because you are one among the heterogeneous group. Academic achievements, எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரே இது இல்ல. I don't think everybody has scored the same mark. People have scored different marks. Somebody would have come and joined very first list. Somebody would have come and joined last list. All the different list number of list இருக்கு. I joined 8th list. 8 லிஸ்ட் போட்டாங்க. 8வது லிஸ்ட்ல நான் போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணேங்க காலேஜ்ல. ஓகே. ஸோ அதனால வந்து ஐ எம் நோ வே இன்ஃபீரியர் டு அதர் பீப்புள். சரியா? ஸோ உங்க லிஸ்ட் இஸ் நத்திங் டிஃபரண்ட். தட் லிஸ்ட் இஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர்ட் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் டிஃபரண்ட் parameters, factors considered. சரியா? ஸோ அதனால வந்து டோன்ட் கன்சிடர் ஐ ஆம் த லாஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட், ஐ ஆம் த செகண்ட் லிஸ்ட், ஐ ஆம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட், அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை. சம்திங் டிஃபரண்ட். ஓகே. The professional qualifications each person is having. This is I'm talking about the individuals. Sorry. I'm talking about the individuals. Strength, weakness for individuals. Okay. And the personal qualities. ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் சொன்னாங்க. ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒவ்வொரு இதுதான் சொன்னீங்க. நீங்க எல்லாம் வரும் அதுல. Okay. And like somebody said communication. I'm good at communication. Somebody saying good. I'm not good at communication. Okay. Somebody said I'm very creative. Somebody, okay, I'm determined. Otherwise, somebody says I get bugged even a very small comment comes. It's all different. Okay. So somebody said adaptability. Correct. That's also a weakness, a strength. Okay. அதை வந்து எப்படி சொல்லணும்? அடாப்டபிலிட்டி நானல் மாதிரி. ஓகே. நானல் மாதிரி. இன்னும் நானல் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? தண்ணியில இருக்கும், நடுவில் நிற்கும் உங்களுக்கு நானல். வர்ற ஃபோர்ஸுக்கு என்ன வளைஞ்சு கொடுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. தென் ஒன்லி இட் கேன் விஸ்டாண்ட் த வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோ. ஸ்டிஃபா இருந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? வர்ற ஃபோர்ஸுக்கு உடஞ்சு போயிடும், அவ்வளவுதான் அது. ஸோ adaptability is a good virtue. Many people said adaptability good is a good virtue. Okay. See, this is something I'm going to give you something different what other attributes look like. Of course, I have not given here. Right brain, left brain domination. Everybody is not having the same right brain domination. Everybody is not having left brain domination. Do you know what right brain does and what the left brain does? What is being done right brain? Learning your note finishing. Right brain is actually looking into creative and artistic, okay, factors. Left brain அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல. Left brain என்ன உங்களுக்கு systematic is a vertical. A plus B equal to A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square அப்படியே வரதெல்லாம் வந்து left brainல. A plus B whole square கொடுத்தோம்னா அதை டிராயிங்கா போட்டு கொடுக்கிறது வந்து right brain. Okay. It's a very creative, innovative. Okay. அதெல்லாம் வரதெல்லாம் வந்து இது என்ன ரைட் லெஃப்ட் பிரெயின் வந்து verbal, pictures, diagram அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுவாங்க. என்ன ரைட் பிரெயின் will be non-verbal. Somebody said I'm very expressive. Okay. அதெல்லாம் வந்து non-verbal which comes under the right brain. Okay. Have you heard about this vertical thinking and lateral thinking? No? Make a note. Vertical thinking and lateral thinking. The lateral thinking என்கிறத வந்து எட்வர்ட் டி பானோ ஒரு புக் இருக்கு. If you want, I will give you that book, soft copy. Okay. I want. See, என்கிட்ட வந்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க I will give you a lot of books you have to read. சரியா? Okay. I'll be sending to Hari Ganche. I sent to you also. அனுப்புறேன். Okay. I'll send a lot of books. Whatever I refer, I want you to read. படிங்க. Some lady was saying, நான் படிக்கணும் இன்னும் படிச்சு முடிச்சுவேன் அப்படின்னு. Please do that one. Okay. See, vertical thinking, it is something like systematic. I was saying, isn't it? It like actually is a left brain oriented. சொல்லலாம் நம்ம அதை. என்ன vertical thinking எப்படி வந்து உங்களுக்கு இதே மாதிரி systematic. It comes actually sequential. Okay. அடுத்து வந்து it has got a rigidity because it is time tested. It's tried and time tested. அதான் உங்களுக்கு vertical thinking. Lateral thinking அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல. For example, vertical thinking வச்சோம்னா people who are having formal studies will have very high vertical thinking. சரியா? You have this rigid dynamics course இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? இல்லையா? rigid dynamics class எங்களுக்கு இருந்தது. ஓகே. அந்த மேடம் ஜெபராணி நினைக்கிறேன், இப்ப இருக்காங்க தெரியாது. ஜெயராணியா ஜெபராணி. ஓகே. மேக்ஸ் எடுத்தாங்க இந்த லேடி. மொத்தமே 3 கொஸ்டின் 2 கொஸ்டின் கொடுப்பாங்க. 2 கொஸ்டின் கொடுத்து attempt only 1 question for 3 hours. ஒரு கொஸ்டின் எடுத்தா that question will go for 40 pages other answer. Okay, you cannot start anywhere in between. நடுவுல இருந்து இந்த பேஜ் நம்ம இதுல இருந்து ஆரம்பிக்க முடியாது unless you know exactly the what procedure you need to follow. அப்படியே derive பண்ணிட்டே வரணும். ஒரு derive பண்ணா அந்த ஆன்சர் you'll be using for next step. அந்த மாதிரி வரும் உங்களுக்கு. Okay, this is nothing but vertical thinking. This is a formal education. இதெல்லாம் இப்படிதான் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றது. lateral thinking அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல. whatever knowledge they gain in the informal thing. Okay, informal learning. Informal learning என்ன சொல்றது இப்ப நம்ம சொல்லலாம் நம்ம என்ன we have found so much about science and about agriculture. இனி மேல பார்த்து நீங்க மழை வருமா வராதான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க கிராமத்துல சொல்றாங்களா? கொஞ்சம் காத்து வந்தா இந்த காத்து பார்த்து சொல்லுவாங்க இன்னைக்கு காத்து கொஞ்சம் பலமா இருக்குவா இன்னைக்கு நல்லா மழை வரும் என்ன பார்த்து உடனே போய் அங்க போய் பாத்தி கட்டுறது எல்லாம் ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க அது. This all informal thinking, informal knowledge which I actually gained through over the oral discussions. எங்கேயும் எழுதி வைக்கல. ஓகே, நம்ம பேசும்போது இந்த மாதிரி சொன்னா அப்படி அதுல இருந்து கத்துக்கிறது தான் அது இதெல்லாம் அது. See, the I won't say menial job, என்ன, but the people who are doing the blue collar job, yes, let me use the right word, blue collar job, those guys will have very good lateral thinking. Okay, lateral thinking is something like very innovative, out of box thinking. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் எடுத்தா என்ன, that for that problem they'll give multiple solutions. Okay, it's something what they have learned in the college or school. They'll be something differently. For example, the மழை பெய்யும் போது when you are driving a scooter or a vehicle, okay, the glass and the water particles அப்படியே ஒட்டிட்டு இருக்கும். So you'll find difficult. Okay, you'll see the refraction of light coming. Okay, or dissipation of light அதெல்லாம் வரும் உங்களுக்கு என்ன. I hope I am right in my physics. Okay, என்ன, but what happens, the auto drivers என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஒரு உருளைக்கிழங்கு எடுத்து கட் பண்ணி அப்படியே தேய்ச்சி விட்டுருவாங்க அதை. Okay, because that creates a coating in the glass. Okay, it will not allow the water to stick to the glass. விழுந்தோன்னா அப்படியே போயிடும். So you have very clear picture of the road. Nobody has told you all these things. This is all lateral thinking. He has found himself. He has tried something, he has found. So lateral thinking. So இதெல்லாம் very very important. This is something actually which is like another attribute also which will be helping in your life. Okay, so achievements, probably I think here. Okay, achievements, experiences, positive feedback received from others, இதெல்லாம் வந்து your strength. Achievements can be a different thing. Probably somebody might be saying that, okay, I have scored so much CGPA, OGPA now. OGPA. Okay, how much is now? Out of 10 or 10? Good. Good, we have got out of 10 for us, only out of 4 only. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, அதெல்லாம் வந்து, and experiences. First of all, I'll also tell you that one, you have to learn from experiences. Every experience gives you a lesson. இதை வந்து I will be taking after 15 days, I'll be taking a session on self-development or session. Okay, அதில் I'll talk about the experiences. That one. Okay. Okay. There's something else that, you know, somebody was saying the proactive. That lady said, if I am instigated, I am directed, I will do. No, you have to be proactive. Okay, இந்த பக்கம் நான் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா சொல்ல, இந்த பக்கம் நான் சொல்றேன் அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, so don't take it very personally. Okay, and proactive, somebody was saying that இன்னொரு virtue இருக்க சொன்னால, people that don't like get being very cautious. Okay, நான் சொன்னால, I trust all the people சொல்றாங்கல்ல. Okay, and I can put other one as being very cautious also. That's also good virtue. Okay, see, the reason why I'm saying that one, people don't like get cheated. அப்பா எனக்கு ஒரு கடைக்கே போய் going to bargain a product. Okay, I understand that you will have approximately an idea this must be costing 50 rupees. அப்படின்னா okay, then you bargain, buy it 50 or 60, you don't mind any. If somebody comes and says 100, okay, and later you come to know that, okay, you have bought at 100 and later come to know it's only 50, and you'll just think about that particular moment, you'll feel you have been cheated. Okay, some people will not like that feeling of getting cheated. Okay, that is also a good virtue, being very cautious. Okay, and listening and hearing. தெரியுமா ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணா தப்பு வேற வேறயா? What is hearing, what is listening? Anyone please? Someone யாராவது டக்குன்னு எந்திரிக்கணும். இதுதான் சொல்றது. When you given opportunity, you have to just pick up the opportunity. யாராவது ஒருத்தன் சொன்ன உடனே எல்லாம் சைலண்ட் ஆயிட்டீங்க. ஓகே, லிஸ்னிங். லெட் மீ டாக் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹியரிங். இந்த காலை வாங்கி இந்த காலை விட்டுறோம்ல, தட் இஸ் ஹியரிங். லிஸ்னிங் இஸ் நாட் தட் வே. காதல வாங்கி you have to assimilate the information, you have to process that one and send it to your ROM or RAM. மைண்டுக்கு அனுப்பணும். Okay, depending upon the importance, you put it in the RAM or you put it in the ROM for a longer period. அது okay. So this always I do. I always hear from my wife. I don't listen. Yeah, jokes apart. Okay, I was talking about proactive soft skills. Somebody said I'm good at soft skills. Somebody said lack of soft skills. இதெல்லாம் வந்து see what is good in strength is lack of that one is a weakness. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, then continuous learning attitude. இதெல்லாம் very small things. Probably நீங்க சொன்னதிலே அடங்கி இருக்கும், but I use a different name which is accepted terms in the market, in the this one. Okay, personality development. Okay, then perseverance. Many people said நான் உன்னை நினைச்சா செஞ்சுறேன் சார். So determination is nothing but the perseverance. Very good, but you have to keep persevering for each and everything. Never give up. That is very important one for everybody. Don't give until last moment. You should not be giving up. This is good. This is also all good attributes. Time management. Somebody said good. The weakness or the strength? Weakness. Okay. So time management, that is very important factor. Okay, in future you'll know when you get into a job or anything, you will be given a specific time within which you have to complete the work. Okay, that you have to stick on to that one. And another thing, punctuality is part of time management. I wanted to be here by 3 o'clock. I was here by 2:45. Possibly I think they came and said, sir, students are not assembled. Take this one. Punctual is a very must. Okay, if I have a meeting at say 3 o'clock with my CFO or my CEO, I used to be in my place at 3 o'clock. Even if I'm not there, people will be asking the reception, Venki, is he in the building? Because say 3 o'clock I should be there at that particular point. அந்த ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இதுக்கு கிரியேட் பண்ணுவோம் நீங்க. Here it's all okay, but when you get into a job, when you get into a profession, career, is all very important thing. Okay, a leadership. A leader is never born, he is made. யாராவது வந்து leader is born சொல்லாதீங்க, நம்பாதீங்க. Okay, a leader is not born, he is made, which means anybody can become a leader by taking proper inputs. இதெல்லாம் வந்து strength. Okay, assimilation of information. See, today is all not over here. Okay, but it is all that. Lot of information is available now. I don't know how many people are using library now. Tell me. Be candid. Okay, ஒன்னு இதுக்கு நீ இல்ல நீ தூக்குன உடனே சரி நீ ஓகே, so you are not going to library. Okay, என்னமா பண்ணல லைப்ரரியில? Novels வாசிக்கிறது. Okay, so I don't think TNA library is meant for that one. Okay, see, I'll tell you, TNA library, okay, it was so reputed library. Not here. People from GCT used to come to our library and look for some books, and they used to sit and read, or நம்ம பசங்க புக் எடுத்து கொடுப்பாங்க இங்க. The many colleges in Coimbatore never used to have all such books, whereas we were having those books. Master Journal படிச்சிருக்கீங்களா? வருதாப்பா? What is MESU? Union. Okay, see, they used to give a journal every month. Okay, இதெல்லாம் வருதாப்பா? நாம பாக்குறது இல்ல, படிக்கிறது இல்ல. The reason is that now we think, because any information I need not go to a library, I can get it everything in Google, in my mobile itself or my laptop itself. Okay, but understand, you are loaded with plenty of information. If you are not going to develop the filtering process, filtering that's also slowly becoming another virtue or another attribute for individuals. Okay, you have to do that one. What is right information to that you are doing? So these are all the attributes. Talk about this weakness. What is a weakness? Anything, something which limits your progress. It's called a weakness. Very simple definition. That's it. Okay. The skills or knowledge gaps that somebody was saying, I don't have this one. Okay. Or somebody saying I have soft skills, but lack of soft skills is also a weakness. Okay. See, this knowledge gaps is not only identified by you. If somebody comes and says, boss or madam or boy, whatever it is, sir, you are lagging this information, this knowledge, please accept it. Okay. Try to develop that one and accept what others are saying or others are giving the comments, and accept and try to improve on that one. Chiriya. Okay. There are some personality traits, okay, which actually are habits which will be considered as a weakness of somebody. Okay. For example, somebody said, uh, I believe everybody easily. Okay. That is not that way I can say that one. It's a very good virtue. Okay. And another example, I want to give proper example. Rigidity in thinking. நான் நினைச்சேன் இதுதான் சரி, இதுதான் ஆன்சர் அப்படின்னு நினைக்க கூடாது. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு you can have multiple solutions, multiple answers. Okay. But each answer will be different in efficiency and effectiveness. Okay. What is efficiency? What is effectiveness? You know difference between efficiency and effectiveness? Please Google it and see. Efficiency and effectiveness. இப்ப வேணாம். Just make a note. Okay. You are looking for only an effective this one solutions. Okay. Being candid and I'm very flexible. இதெல்லாம் வந்து வீக்னஸே இல்ல அது. Okay. It's very good strength. It's actually, it's also a strength. சும்மா எல்லாத்தையும் தலையாட்ட கூடாது. Somewhere you have to raise your head and say, boss, this what you are doing is wrong. That is a must. There is always a point of acceptance above which nothing. You have to get back and say this is wrong. அப்படின்னு. Okay. And honest about past mistakes, failures, or areas where you have received constructive criticism. When somebody criticizes you, okay, and if you feel that it is only for your benefit, they are criticizing, they are giving the inputs, you have to accept it. Okay? Don't make it as a weakness. Okay, yeah. And financial position or the family support to pursue your goal, this can be a weakness. Okay. And sometimes an attribute which I was talking about to you can be classified as a weakness as well as a strength. For example, being candid. Somebody சொன்னாங்க சார் நான் பட்டுன்னு அப்படி சொல்லிடுவேன் சார் அப்படின்னாங்க. ஓகே, என் மனசை பட்டு அப்படி சொல்லிடுவாங்க. That's being candid. It's a good virtue as a bad virtue also. Can classify in both the thing, strength and weakness. Okay. Lack of a knowledge. Okay. Or for example, knowing a language. Okay. There is a weakness. Don't go get driven by somebody else. Hindi கத்துக்க கூடாது, அந்த இது கத்துக்க கூடாது மாதிரிலாம் இல்ல. Okay. See, you have to survive anywhere. When the point of survival, okay, when you are pushed to a corner, that you have to learn a language, you will learn. To avoid that one being pushed to a corner, better do it now itself. Learn different languages. Nothing wrong. Be it English or Hindi, wherever it is. Okay. Somebody was saying they want to go to Japan or something. Singapore. Okay. Singapore, no problem. You can survive with Tamil, English. Okay. There you have Malay as well. Nothing wrong. Okay. Learn some language. That's good. Then the repeating the mistakes. This I have seen many people. Is a very, very big weakness. Repeating a mistake. Okay. Not learning from that. It is a big discussion point itself. We'll look at later. Okay. And managing emotional intelligence and EQ. This is a weakness. Many people said yes. Okay. அதெல்லாம் வந்து பண்ணாதீங்க. Don't give an opportunity to you think that I am emotionally get disturbed. No. Why you should get emotionally disturbed? Just அப்படி தொடச்சிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கணும். எனி கம்ப்ளைண்டிங் அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கணும் நீங்க. Don't get emotionally disturbed. See, when you are emotionally getting disturbed, what happens? You are stressing yourself. Okay. Then, what is the next point? Opportunities for the individuals. Okay. The potential opportunities, the growth, advancement, the new experiences. இதெல்லாம் what are things available for you people reaching a goal. இதெல்லாம் வந்து opportunities. Okay. And just look at wherever you have positive leads. Okay. For all these things, there is an opportunity. Look for that one. Job openings. Where is available? Keep looking at this. All there are a lot of job openings are available now. You know that? Okay. And know, understand your market trends, the industry, your field, or whatever interest you do. Okay. There are a lot of new trends are creating new opportunities. Keep looking for that one. These are opportunities. Okay. And you have to be closely linked with your industry. Then only you'll know what are opportunities available. Okay. Then what are the further avenues for education? If somebody is completing the college, they are looking for doing PG or something. Okay. And what something like a training or some skill development course. What are things available that you have to keep looking at? A lot of things are available. These are opportunities for you. Okay. College, and also you're looking for the colleges where which is offering whatever course you want. Okay. And industry is looking for a skill. These all are there, but you have to go and look for this one. These are opportunities. Okay. Opportunities never come and jump in front of you. Correct? You have to go look for opportunities. Or if something comes in front of you, you should identify it is an opportunity for you. Just grab it. சரியா? நான் கேட்கும்போது எல்லாரும் சொன்னீங்க. யாராவது ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுங்க, டக்குன்னு சைலண்ட் ஆயிட்டீங்க. That was an opportunity for you. Correct? Just immediately you should get up and say yes. Okay. And the government policies, investments in new projects, and how it can create employment for you people of anybody. There's an opportunity. Okay. And somebody said reading newspaper. Try பண்ணுவேன் சார், நான் முடியாது விட்டுருவேன். Okay. No. Cultivate that habit, because most of opportunities and threats are known only from the external sources, not from internal sources. Do you agree with me? Okay. So அதுக்கு our source வந்து only newspapers. You have to read. Please do that one. Since you have come to final year, at least now you have to do that one. Personal connections with the organizations and mentors. You say mentors can be your own professors or your alumni, senior alumni or seniors. When you are doing first or second year, some of the guys would be taking up a very good job in different organizations. Okay. Keep connected to them. Are you connected with the seniors? Okay. Are they connected with the college? Huh? No. You have to tell them. Please get connected. We want you back in the college. சொல்லுங்க நீங்க. Okay. And acceptance of your ideas. How many people have seen this program, Shark Tank program? 4 5 பேர் 6 பேர் இருக்கீங்க. Okay. ஏன் மத்தவங்க என்னாச்சு? You don't have ideas? Shark Tank. It comes in CNBC. பாருங்க. People come with different ideas. They look at the acceptability. Okay. என்ன தெரியும் அந்த program என்னன்னு? For other people. Different people come with their ideas. They come and showcase, this is my idea. This idea can bring so much money. அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அது. Okay. That's it. When that is the case, there are some people who are ready to invest money in their idea. Some people say, I will give 10 lakhs. Some people say 50 lakhs. Some people say a crore. They invest. Okay. That's why you come out with the ideas. That's when you need to do that one. Okay. This is, as I was talking about Google. It's a very good opportunity to get all information. Okay, unlike those days, because for our project, I was sitting in the library at least for 4 to 5 hours every day for 6 months. இப்போ அந்த பிரச்சனையே இல்லை உங்களுக்கு. We have to write down. We have to type it out. We have to give it to the guide. The guide will look into that one draft copy. Then again we'll have one more copy. Only third copy will be the final print. Now today it's not like that. Okay, you have a provision of opportunity to cut and paste. Okay, and put it in Chat GPT. Okay, how many people are using Chat GPT? அந்த பக்கம் 5, இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு 8-10 பேரு பண்ணுங்க. See, I will not say don't use Chat GPT. பண்ணணும், but not just cut and paste அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay, you should give your idea. See, why I'm telling you is, for formatting your language or your statements, Chat GPT is very good. Don't go by Chat GPT as such. The reason, this was discussing with my son. I said, okay, how don't you use Chat GPT? Then he gave some topic in medical and he just done it. But all these things he said, Papa, all these are absurd. We are not supposed to use all these things at all. This is not the process to do. He was telling. So unless otherwise you have a very good idea what Chat GPT is giving right or correctly, don't use Chat GPT. Okay, use it for formation of statements, sentences. Okay, reformatting your paragraphs. That's very good at that one. Do it. Okay, and opportunity is a totally new area exploration. Okay, there's a good opportunity. See this COVID. You are in COVID batch. Join in COVID. Huh? Which year? 20. Immediate start of COVID. Okay, so we lost 1 year. Yeah, I know. See, the COVID gave lot many people good opportunity to learn something new. Okay, they took that one as opportunity. It was adversity, but many people took it as opportunity. They learned. Many people did a lot of courses. Many people learned something totally new what they are doing. Okay, I was talking to a doctor. Okay, incidentally again my son's boss. Okay, he was saying he's a very reputed gastroenterologist surgeon. Now he says, I trade in a futures option, F&O. How many people know F&O? No trading, no share trading, equity investment, nothing. Okay, start doing it. I'll take a session on that one also. Okay, what is trading? What you can do? This is a way of, first I'll start with how you should start saving money. Then after that we'll go to trading. Okay, we'll do that one. That's also a thing, because the boredom actually gives you some new opportunity to do. That's okay. And job rotation. Threats. Whatever external factors which is going to stop you from reaching your goal are considered as a threats. Very simple one word definition. Okay. What are threats? Your competition. Okay. How many colleges, engineering colleges are there in Tamil Nadu now? Give an approximate faster. Because in I have to take next session also. Huh? Around 600 colleges are there. When I did, there was only 8 colleges. Okay, today 600 colleges are there, which means we can say very well that lot many people are getting opportunity to become engineers. Good. Okay, but at the same time, it has created so much competition. Also, you have to understand. Okay, that competition is a threat for you people. You know how many agriculture engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu? No? Huh? 50 or 55 colleges are there approximately. Even I was not aware of that one. Other day I was sitting with Syed in his house, okay, for a dinner. So I was just Venkatraman was asking me, do you know how many colleges? I said maximum 6 or 7. Then he took the list and gave me 53 or 58 colleges. Okay, which means that much competition is there for you. It is a threat. That's why I said competition is always in a field or industry is a threat. Okay, because the shortage of admission into PG courses or getting in the industry is going to be a threat. Okay, and also the economic or market trends. that impact your career, personal, okay, and finances. For example, somebody, the interest rates are going up. It's a threat or not? If you want to do a PG or you for the same UG, you would have taken a bank loan. If the interest rates are going up, it's a threat. Okay. And somebody is saying for doing a PG, okay, you need 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. And what happened? And they're asking for collateral. Okay. When there's no collateral to give. You know what is collateral? தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க எனக்கு collateral என்னது? Easy, simple word. அடமானம். ரைட்டா? அடமானம் வைக்கிறதுக்குன்னா this something to get money, you're going to give something for them. Okay, this collateral, lack of collateral is also a threat for many people. எல்லாத்துக்கும் கிடைக்காது இது. Okay, and potential barriers. Okay, see, actually it's a potential barriers. It's the industry. There are a lot of potential barriers are there. When somebody MNC company wants to get into India, there'll be a barriers because your local thing will be should be supported. Local industry should be protected. And the more there'll be some potential barriers for entry or advancement of chosen field, whatever it is. For example, I'll give you when somebody wants to do an MS course, okay, I mean medical MS, medical PG in US, it's not so easy to do it. They have to write the USMLE exam, clear that one, then complete that one, work for 3 years, then they will give you. And even when they give, normally they give non-clinical course only. Okay, non-clinical means, you know what is non-clinical? You can't touch the patient. உட்காந்து பேசிக்கலாம், பேசி அவங்ககிட்ட என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு அதை non-clinical. Okay, these are the policies, these are the barriers for others outside people coming into your industry. So there's something will be always there. Okay, see, this finance and family support I was talking about you. Along that I can talk about even last one, the health issues, financial constraints, external responsibilities. See, there's a culture also plays the role here. Do you accept with me? Okay, வீட்டுல பெரிய பையனா இருப்பீங்க, பெரிய பெரிய பொண்ணா இருப்பீங்க. என்ன நம்ம கல்ச்சர் என்ன பண்ண சொல்லுது? ஓகே, படிச்சு முடிச்சுனா வேலைக்கு போய் ஃபேமிலியை காப்பாற்றணும். Is it there? This culture also a threat. Does not give you all the opportunities. That is also there. And unfortunately, this finance or family support is there. That's like a make or break. You can just go in. Okay, then the threat, you're already employed, the employer running short of team members, and you will not be able to get relieved. In some cases they would have taken up the job, okay, paying some bond. Do you know that one? Are you aware? Bond கொடுத்து ஜாயின் பண்ணுவாங்க, bond கொடுத்து கோர்ஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, அந்த கோர்ஸ் முடியலன்னா முடிச்சோம்னா, for example, take a PG admission in Tamil Nadu. When they're taking government college, they have to execute a bond for 50 lakhs for serving the government at least for 3 or 5 years. If you don't serve, okay, that 50 lakhs you have to pay. That is a threat. Okay, that one, this is the medical, this is the government policy. Okay, and government policy restriction into industry I was talking about, and reduction in the student visa, travel restrictions. This is also a threat. Somebody wants to go to US, student visa is not given immediately. They're very selective. Employment is also same thing. H1B visa, how many people are getting H1B visa? It goes by lottery, you know that? So this is some restriction. These are all the threats. Okay, and I was talking about medical grads need to clear an exam. Okay, in medical people who are not able to medical courses who are not able to get into India, people are going overseas. Almost 10,000 people are completing their courses in overseas. Do you know that one? China, Russia, okay, all Ukraine, all these people, they complete the course. When they come back, they have to clear an come again. When they come back, okay, they have to sit and clear the exam. If they don't clear the exam, they will not be able to pursue with the medical profession. This is a government policy. This is a threat. Okay? You have to understand this one, whether we'll be able to do that. Okay, I was talking about medical grads going to US. Okay, and in your case, the one threat is not able to complete the course in time. Ideally, you should have completed in next 1 or 2 months. You're not able to. This is a threat. Okay, because you'll not be able to pursue your PG. You have to waste some time. Okay, ideally, if you are going to complete in the month of August or something, if you are able to go and join somewhere US university, you join the fall. Okay, fall time. Okay, so you can join. Otherwise, it is a threat. Okay, and repatriation of earnings. You go overseas, especially repatriation of earnings when you go and work in African countries. You can't send the money immediately. Do you know that? இங்கிருந்து ஆப்பிரிக்கா போறாங்கல்ல, different countries எல்லாரும் போறாங்க. என்ன? There are many countries they cannot repatriate the money back to India. Out of that, only some 50% or 30% something only you can repatriate. Others you have to spend there itself. And the agreement போடும்போது நீங்க அதையும் பார்க்கணும் நீங்க. That's a threat for employment in other countries. You have to look into that one. Okay. And the last one is boredom of doing the same job repeatedly. Okay. It is a threat thing. That's okay. Done. This is the thing. Actually, so far, whatever I've done for the agriculture, individuals. Now I'm going to talk about for engineering students. Okay. Some of things will be overlapping with the earlier one also. I'm not going to look at all those things. Okay. So something which I'll just get out of that one. Okay. The strong analytical and problem solving skills occurred which during your course of engineering, agriculture projects, coursework, whatever it is. Okay. The technical proficiency. Okay. And see, agriculture engineering students possess very strong technical skills. Okay. You're saying going to which has been acquired through a coursework or projects. Okay. And labs, practical experiences. I will tell you one thing. When compared to general engineering, agriculture engineering students will have very, very high caliber of facing any eventuality. Okay. They have very high caliber in coming out with multiple solutions for the same problem. That is there. நீங்க செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க, ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க நீங்க. I am not jacking you up or priming you up. It's a fact. Okay. See, deep understanding of agriculture systems. Okay. Ability to think critically and solve complex problems. And I think sometime back I told you, in an engineering attitude, did I talk about engineering attitude somewhere? The engineering attitude is something a person come with a problem. Okay, that fellow you should give immediately some 10 solutions. That is the engineering attitude. Okay, he will not look at what is the feasibility, what is the efficiency, effectiveness of the problems, solutions. He'll come up with 10 solutions. Then he will trial and error method. He'll keep on doing one. Okay, that is the engineering attitude. How many people have that one? If you don't have or short of that skill, develop that one. Immediate வரணும் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து இமீடியட்டா 10 சொல்யூஷன் வரணும் உங்களுக்கு. Okay. See, agriculture engineering students are trained to analyze complex agricultural இருக்காங்க இதுல போட்டுருக்காங்க அதுல. Okay. Interdisciplinary. Okay. Normally, okay. Engineering students are trained to analyze complex agricultural problems and develop innovative solutions. Whatever we have agriculture technical technology improvements, okay, it has come from not from agriculture college students alone. It has come from AI, come from computers. Okay, so that is one area which you have to focus. This is lack of this knowledge is actually a weakness for you. Do you accept it? Okay. See, generally I was talking about agriculture graduates. Okay, I always call agriculture students, not only engineering, but agriculture students. Okay, they are called mavericks. Arthan Rima maverick na? Think differently. Okay, come out with the out of box solutions. Okay, out of box thinking. Maverick. MAVERICK. Okay, maverick. It's okay. See, I think some people can say eccentric also. They will be little eccentric. They will not be like any normal person. Some people, okay, but they will give a right solution. for a problem. Okay. Okay, ability to apply engineering principle in agricultural issues is significant strength for agriculture college students. Okay, like application of your read civil, mechanical, chemical, computers, everything is application. How it's applied in agriculture. That knowledge you have, that is a strength for you. Okay? And interdisciplinary collaboration. That's what I given the agronomy, environmental science, computer science. Okay, all these things plus what do you say that able to tackle multifaceted challenges in agriculture. That one. See, do you have the course in animal husbandry here? No, yeah. What are the courses you have in agriculture then? Agronomy, soil science, horticulture. அவ்வளவுதான். No pathology, entomology, biology. So all is animal husbandry. Okay. If possible, இங்க கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா certificate course கொடுத்தாங்க, please do it. It is a must for you also, animal husbandry, because then you'll be able to design sheds, everything for animal husbandry. அது எத்தனை பேருக்கு தெரியும்? Or do you have structures looking? Okay, okay, very good. That actually we had separate course itself. If not possible, do a certificate course. Okay, and positive relationship with professors, mentors, peers, provide and support and guidance. Yeah, I'll tell you what is the reason. See, unlike many other streams, you have a standard books. We don't have standard books. Do you agree with me? Irka, agriculture engineering standard books irka? Huh? Because I don't know, because when we were there, hardly one or two books, that's all. Huh? You don't have standard book. Okay. Yeah. So most of it. Otherwise, so that's why I said you need to have very good past relationship with the professors and mentors. They'll give you all inputs. So whatever notes you are taking in the class becomes your guide. Okay. And the rest, okay, internship, corporate experiences have provided practical exposure to real world engineering challenges. I think okay. I want to just skip all these things. Okay. Access to state of art facilities, equipment, resources provided by the college. Last button point. Access to state of art facilities. இருக்கா இருந்தானே it is a strength for you. இல்லைன்னா it's a weakness. Okay. And also participation in extracurricular activities as engineering clubs, competition, research projects. Okay. Research projects, I've already spoken to the dean. Okay. I have asked him to involve at least final year students, okay, in the projects. Okay. So when you're going to overseas, they'll ask first question whether you have done any project. So இல்லம்மா இது you'll be doing one project ma. Okay, people have to write multiple project. இது மட்டும் இல்ல, you have to write articles, theses எல்லாம் பண்றாங்கல்ல, seniors பண்றாங்கல்ல, your PG students will be doing, your professors will be doing. You have to assist them and you will be lending your name to them. அதுல 4 பேர் வரும். First whoever is doing the project, okay, then the professor, head of department, professors, okay, and your name also should be there. The credit goes to the first person, but when you are also involved, that is a strength for you. I have told them let us speak on. Okay. Then weakness. The limited exposure to broader agriculture industry is a weakness for you. That is a weakness. Okay. Because the practices and the products are different from different regions. But if you want an example, I will give you palm oil extraction. It's not in India. But when you want to take up a job in Malaysia, okay, you should know that how the palm oil is grown, how they is being extracted, and the technology எல்லாம் வேணும் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. Okay, so this is actually limited exposure. That's what I was telling you. Okay, and limited experience applying engineering principles, whatever I learned in colleges. For example, automation in agriculture. Okay, I have sent some message or something on the agriculture automation. What is having overseas? And then I will keep sending you those clippings related to agriculture engineering. Okay, it is the duty of the CR to percolate down to all the people. Please, please ensure. There was a very valuable one in chat send. Okay, I remember sending in that one. Please share it with all the people. Okay, அதெல்லாம் வேணும் உங்களுக்கு. Then specializations gap. Okay, limited knowledge on precision agriculture. How many people know about precision agriculture, agriculture robotics, sustainable farming practices? இதெல்லாம் தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? Huh? Okay, very good. And AI robotics is all very, very important. Any gaps you don't knowledge, it is going to be a weakness for you. Okay. And soft skills, lack of soft skills, communication, be the teamwork, okay, leadership, whatever it is going to be a weakness, which is coming overlapping from the earlier thing also. Lack of innovation is a weakness. Okay. And time management we are talking about, okay, is actually the most difficult thing is time management and balancing with the coursework, projects, and extracurricular activities is the most difficult job for you people. It's a weakness, okay? And limited networking, professional connections within the engineering industry that you have to enlarge. If you don't have, this is a big weakness for you. The opportunity, the emerging trends in agriculture fields, renewable energy, okay, artificial intelligence. These all things which are going to give you new career path and for innovation. Okay, you should be involving in developing a cutting edge solutions. Okay. Rapid advancements we have been seeing in the technology side. Okay, including precision agriculture. There's a drone sensors, but see, other day I was seeing the drones. Okay, are you using drones here? How many drones are here? So I think that is one thing which you have to focus. Okay, and this is the current. Actually, there's giving. Actually, these are things the current thing which is giving more opportunities for you. Okay, the data analytics industry recommends are something different from what you are doing here. You need to understand what data analysis these people are industries are looking for. Try to get some experience or exposure on that one. 3D printers is becoming very, very fast thing in every industry. Okay, that is one thing. Then the global food security concerns, increasing the population, okay, and climate change related changes, underscoring the importance of sustainable agriculture. Okay, point number 3. Okay. This is given an enormous scope. I'm telling you. Okay, global food security is because I'll tell you the population is going higher. Then if you're not going to increase the lands coming under cultivation, okay, it's going to be a difficult job for feeding almost all the mouths. Okay, you know what are the factors of production? Man, material, land, and time. Have you ever heard this one? This is the factors of 4 factors of production. Okay, man, material, time, and land. Okay, in this man, material, and time, you have enough. Okay, what is constraint? Where you have constraint? Constraint only the land because you can't expand the land. Okay, out of I think 2/3 is covered by water, only 1/3 is the land. Okay. Now against that also there's so much of barren land laying west where you can't cultivate. You have deserts, everything. That's slowly that you have to develop. That's what I was saying. Okay, and can contribute to addressing the food security concerns through research, innovation, and implementation of sustainable practices. Okay, and there are also corporate institutions getting into farming now opportunities. A lot of corporations are getting into. Okay, this actually the corporations getting into farming. It actually reduces the lags and wastages in the supply chain. Okay, the skills are rewarded unlike government department. எல்லாரும் கும்பலா பண்ணதில்ல. There whoever is working, whoever is able to show some results, they come up in life. Okay, pursuing advanced degree, okay, or specialist certifications to enhance your your career prospects, but available only in restricted institutions. That is also you have to look at it. Okay. The interdisciplinary collaboration with students from other colleges, other streams. This is one thing which you have to develop. The last point. Okay, and Google AI and Chat GPT availability. This is a very, very I was talking about. This is also an opportunity, but you should know what the Chat GPT gives you because it is garbage in, garbage out. Somebody has fed into chat GPT. You don't know whether it's the garbage or it's the information. Okay, so you should know that one. The threats, intense competition, which I told you, okay, and getting job placements or getting into graduate school admissions. That's going to be a difficult thing. Okay, lack of awareness about the industry trends and job market demands and what the industry wants. The career paths with the engineering field. This is also a threat. Opportunity to gain hands-on experience through internships. Okay, now have you finalized your internship program? Other day, where to? I think other day Nagarajan he was taking a session on that one internship. Have you finalized that one? Do it at the earliest. Okay, and lack of possibility of pursuing advanced degrees or the course which you want to do. If you don't have that one, there's also a threat. Okay, climate change, environmental degradation. Okay, this is a place where you can try to come innovate and give your inputs. That is looking for opportunity in the adversities. That's one thing. Okay, and emerging trends in engineering fields such as renewable energy and artificial intelligence, sustainable design, all these things. These are all actually threats for you. I think one particular thing I wanted to talk to you about: wireless transfer of power. Have you ever heard about that one? For all this power transmission, you have the wire, isn't it? Without the wire, whether power can be transferred? People are working on that one. Are you aware? People are working on that one. Okay. And if that comes, then that can kill the copper industry because maximum copper is used only for wires. That can kill the copper industry. So you have to look at all those things. Economic downturns, the last point, downturns or fluctuations, job market and commodity market and funding of agriculture projects by the government. If there is a shortfall in government funding, then that can affect you. Okay. We are talking about only SWOT, strength, opportunities, weakness, and threat. But there are other things also. What are the assets there as positives, resources, and prospects? All these things are points for you. How to read, how to analyze the result when you're doing this SWOT analysis. Okay. The strength utilization, identify what are the strength, try to develop on that one. Okay, maximize the opportunities. Okay, and mitigate the threats and develop the lateral thinking, eliminate the rigidity in thinking. This is a very, very important one, I want to tell you. Okay, the same thing is weakness mitigation. uh, See, the easiest job is not increasing your strength. Easiest job is reducing your weakness. Do you accept with me? Okay, because you already identified something weakness, but mitigation is much easier. So that's the easiest job. Try to do that one. Okay. Weakness mitigation is much easier than adding new strengths. Okay. Then opportunities and threats analysis is also there. Okay. Uh, Evaluate how opportunities align with the strengths. Align with strengths. Okay. Weakness and the you have to look at how the opportunities and the most viable one and how they can be capitalized on. This is very important one which you have to look at it. Okay. And look for the mitigation of threats which is under your control. Okay, there are a lot of threats are there which is beyond your control. Something which is under control, you can do away with that one. Okay, and I'm just going to jump out. Okay, class analysis, this I given you. Okay, how what you can do, the this is between strength and opportunities. Normally we see strength and weakness. Okay, here we are going to do an analysis on strength and opportunities alignment and weakness and threats mitigation, how it can be done. Okay, so now this is the last one, I think, prioritization. Okay, last one. Okay, see, we have to prioritize. When you say prioritize, okay, and you have to prioritize all the strength and effectiveness, whatever you want to do cannot be having the same priority. You have to give some sort of marking and you have to prioritize what should be taken first. Okay, adding strength or mitigating the weakness. Whatever it is, among the strengths, you have to identify something which you want to know. Add it. You have identified something which you want to reduce the weakness. So you have to prioritize, and then you have to allocate, and you have to utilize the sources accordingly. Okay. Then once this prioritization is done, okay, you have for action planning. Action planning is nothing but based on analysis. Okay, the you want to develop some specific or actionable strategies or processes or initiatives to leverage your strength and reduce your weakness, and how to address the weakness. Okay, these are things which you have to do. These are the action planning. That is, I'll call this in a corporate thing, we call this a mission, vision, and goal and tactics. Have you ever heard about this one? Mission, vision, goal, tactics. Mission is something which goes for 40 years. Vision is for 10 to 15 years. Goal is for 1 to 2 years. Tactics, intraday, next 1 week, what I should do. These are called tactics. Okay. So you have to put all these things. Okay. Then continuous monitor. It's not only doing this one, but you have to continuously evaluate and you have to monitor. Okay. If that is not done, the entire whole exercise will go waste. Okay. Hope I have done something on SWOT. Let us try to gain. Let us see. Okay. Any Q&A? If any Q&A, this is what I wanted to tell you. Okay. And let us see how. And I want everybody to do on SWOT analysis and send me.